Hey guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect apps to Google Drive. Yes guys, you get that right. You can easily connect apps to Google Drive, and I'm going to show how easy it is to do so. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So what you want to do, you want to go to your Google Drive and find the drive, let's say, and you want to find the file or the picture or the video, whichever it is that you want to connect with Google Drive to be able to use. So I'm going to take this picture here, and let's say I would like to connect some application to it, right? So you can simply right click, then click and open with, and then you'll have the option that says connect more apps. If you click on that, you'll be taken to this window here where you can search for apps. You can scroll through and you can find apps and you can search. Or in this case, I'm going to choose an app that I know of. Let's choose Canva as an example. So you can type in Canva, and once you hit search, you will see that Canva is available. As you can see, you have other apps there. So you can simply select Canva, and then you can install Canva directly into Google Drive, and then you'll be able to use this, right? Very easy and very simple. You have a lot of different apps that you can use here within Google Drive. So if you're looking for ways how to connect apps within Google Drive, guys, this is the way. You can come here and you can search for multiple apps. If you want, you can switch to free apps, and you can see all the different apps that you can use for free. And you can search by name. You can go to filters here and you can switch between different ones, so you can choose between different options here to filter the apps that you want, and so much more. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.